Hello, people. How are you? I'm Catherine Ang. This is my first time in the state of Texas. So, acompáñame.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body.
Sitio 20.
120.
No talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Show me your eyes so I can tell the truth.
This tastes delicious.
Yeah, that you can do that too.
Hey you guys, I'm doing a voiceover because my microphone was really low for some reason, but I'm trying a burger at the fair with some fries on the side, no onions, and it was very delicious, you know, well seasoned and with some cheese, and it was good. I love it. No complaints. I love it. All right, you guys, so this ride right here is traditional, okay? Every time me and my cousin Ashley, we come to the fair, this will be the first ride we will get on. I mean, look at it. It looks intimidating, right? So, let's go.
Baby, I wanna ride with you a while. I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking.
How was it? Hey, you guys, so we out here looking for some more rides at the state fair, you know what I'm saying? We just got done finishing an amazing ride. So, we're looking for some more fun, and then after, I'm gonna try some delicious food. That's what we gonna do, all right? Let's go.
Todo fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem sou, passo bem sou, passo bem sou.
Duro, 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 baby. Let's go. Let's go, duro. Ooh. Again. Duro, duro, duro. First.
Oh, you wanted number 9. Alrighty, girl, you guys.
All right, sorry guys, but I lost.
Who's ready? Who's next?
Hey.
Who's ready to play, guys? Come on over.
It was too hard, but hey, maybe next time, right?
You in her and you in her.
I'm sorry, baby.
All you guys, come on over.
Alright, you guys, so we just finished this wow ride right here.
No. Wait. Yeah. Wait. 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 Snow.
The ring on it, sir. The ring's on its way.
Yeah.
Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band, and make the fireflies dance. Silver. Down by the broken tree house, swing me. Our bonnet hanging time. Bring.
So, baby.
Dun.
How was your time at the fair?
Woo! Was wonderful. First, it's my first time to be in there, but I get so happy, so funny eating the tropical food they have prepared. Playing, oh my god, different gaming. I was crazy, and yeah, I get this and this. I love it, and I hope that in the next year I going to be here. Thank you.